Do you want to turn on or off notifications silenced on your iPhone 8 Plus? Look no further. Here's the advanced tutorial on how you can turn on or off notifications silenced on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, go to Settings, tap Focus, then make sure your Share Across Devices option is turned on. Under the Share Across Devices option, you'll find the Focus Status. Then tap Share Focus Status. After that, you can choose any focus mode, like Do Not Disturb. After that, people who are trying to send you notifications will get a message. Your name has notifications silenced. That means Do Not Disturb mode is turned on your iPhone. After that, if you want to turn it off, notifications silenced, just tap the Share Focus Status toggle to turn it off. So this is the way you can turn on or off notifications silenced on your iPhone 8 Plus. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.